If your inbox is like me, where you have thousands and thousands of emails, sorting them out into different folders is a good idea. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that by creating the folders within your Gmail account, both on the desktop and as well as on the mobile version or Gmail app. While I was researching for this video, I have found out that nowadays there is no concept of a folder in Gmail account. Rather, they have changed the name into labels. And I am going to show you how you can create that in both cases, mobile and desktop version. Right now I am on a desktop version of a Gmail account, and if I select any of the email, you would see that on the top I will get different options, and here on the right there is an option of labels and move to options. If I click on the move to, I'll get the initially created labels or for that matter folders, and then there is an option of create new. If I click create new, you see that it doesn't say that it is a folder, it says that it is a label. But label works like folders. I've just given it a name, test folder, and if you're interested in creating the subfolders, you can select that. Otherwise you can just deselect this and just click create. And now that email has been moved on to this label, and then you can see that here there is an option of now I can see this test folder and I can see this email over here. Similarly, if I click again on any of the email and if I go to the labels, I would also see that there is an option. It is already selected in the labels, but I can create a new, and again I will see the labels. So you can only create the labels within the desktop version of the Gmail account. On your Gmail app it is not possible, but if you don't want to open the desktop version, you can do that while staying on your mobile and opening the Gmail in your Google Chrome or any browser. And then from there you can select any of the email, and then you would see all these options again, and from there you can create the new label or a folder, and you can move that email into that particular folder. And from there on, once you will access your Gmail in your Gmail app, you would see these folders. So this is how you can create the folders or the labels within your Gmail. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.